So welcome back to this channel, guys. So let's take a look at GBPJPY first. If you are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you subscribe. Click on that subscribe button, like, share, also make your comments. If you are yet to follow me on Telegram, check the comment section. I'll be putting a link to my Telegram channel. Follow me on Telegram there. I'll be putting out tons of information. I'll be sharing out a whole lot of information that would be useful for you in trading. So make sure you follow me. And if in case you are interested in trading with me for 7 days free trial, I'll be putting a link to my Patreon channel. Check the link to my Patreon channel, click on it, subscribe. You'll be able to get 7 days, you'll be able to get a 7 days free trial. We can take a trade together, and I'll be putting out some of those trades we've actually taken. So if in case you want to go back and watch, you can go ahead. So with this GBP JPY, we all know, basically, I mean, when you zoom it out, you can clearly see that this is an uptrend move. So what we should be looking out for is an opportunity to go long, right? To go ahead and take a buy. Right now, when you take a look at this moment, right, GBP JPY is literally dropping to this level, as I would call a support level. This is exactly what I will also be watching out for. So we should be looking for opportunity, buy opportunity within this level. So let's see if this GBP JPY will drop one more time, then we can go ahead and take the buy. So we should probably see our targets at this resistance level, because we are very much likely to see some ranging markets move here for some times. I don't think we would have it, because with what I'm seeing, I feel that GBP JPY will break above this resistance level. But if in case it will not, then we are very much likely to see a ranging market within this level. And if it happens for some times, there's every possibility that GBP JPY will now start breaking down. But right now, I don't think it is happening. So, but first, let's see this market comes to this level. Then we can now look to take a buy. I think that should be giving us about 70 to 90 pips, which is not bad, by the way. So this GBP JPY is still a bullish move. So let's see what this 1 hour time frame is saying. So let's see if there will be one more opportunity for it to come here. Then we can now look to take a buy on GBP JPY. So GBP JPY is still a bullish move. So I'll be putting a link to some of those trades we've taken so far, right? We are still taking some trade, more trade is still happening. That is why, if in case you're interested in trading with us, we have 7 days free trial. We are putting it out there. That is in the comments. Check the comment section. You see a link to the Patreon channel. Once you subscribe, you register. You'll get to trade with us for free for a good 7 days. Within the 7 days, you can actually go ahead and cancel your subscription. Basically, if you cancel your subscription within these 7 days, you won't be charged. So if in case you're interested in joining us, the link to the Patreon channel is in the comment section.